Hi there and welcome. I'm Norgelio Dieguez and I will be your guide as we explore the dynamic and data-driven world of data science. Over the past few years, I've worked in supply chain analytics and collaborative planning, especially in CPFR, where transforming raw numbers into real insight is part of my everyday routine. From improving product availability to forecasting demand and aligning with business partners, I've experienced firsthand just how powerful data can be when used effectively. But here's the thing, data science is not just for large corporative or analytics teams. It's embedded in our daily life. It's in the apps we use, the products we choose, and the decisions made around us, often without us even realizing it. In this video, I'll break down the essentials of data science in a simple, practical way. You will learn what it is, why it matters, and how it's already influencing your life today. We will uncover how it powers smart assistants, personalized recommendations, and real-world innovating in fields like healthcare, retail, and beyond. You will also get a clear look into the roles, tools, and teams behind the scenes. So, whether you are curious about how it works or you are ready to build skills for your future, this video is for you. So let's dive in. Have you ever wondered what's happening behind the scenes when you scroll through social media, shop online, or get directions from your phone's GPS? Each one of those actions contributes to a massive stream of data, and that's where data science comes in. At its core, data science is the practice of turning data into insights and insights into action. It's about collecting, cleaning, and analyzing information to find patterns to help us make smart decisions. Whether it's suggesting the perfect playlist, detecting fraud, or predicting the weather, data science is quietly powering much of the modern experience. Retailers use your browsing and purchasing history to recommend products or offer timely discounts. Streaming services track your habits to predict your next favorite show. And voice assistants, they learn your patterns and preferences over time to anticipate your needs. In short, data science helps to make sense of this noise and turns everyday data into meaningful solutions. In today's digital world, we generate data every swipe, click, tap, or voice command. Without data science, all the information will just be a digital clutter. But when used strategically, it becomes a powerful tool for innovation. Have you ever searched for new furniture and then suddenly seen the perfect ad? That's not a coincidence, it's data science. It helps companies understand your behaviors, anticipate your needs, and create a smoother, more personalized experience. Beyond convenience, data science drives innovation across every industry, from optimizing supply chains to advancing healthcare and streamline financial services. It's how we uncover insights, predict trends, and build the future. Let's bring this to life with some everyday examples. Ever noticed how Spotify seems to know exactly what song to play next? Or how Netflix suggests the perfect series after you finish one? That's machine learning at work, studying your interaction and adjusting recommendations to fit your taste. Or how about when Amazon shows your product you were just thinking about? It's using past behaviors, your browsing patterns, and other user preferences to predict what you might need next. Smart assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant take it even further. They don't just respond to your voice, they learn from your behavior. Over time, they anticipate your routine preference and needs, making your life a little more seamless. Even creative tools like ChatGPT and AI art generators are using data to boost your imagination, helping you write, brainstorm, or design with ease. And it goes beyond tech. In healthcare, data science helps to predict health issues before symptoms appear. In finance, it flags suspicious transactions in real time. In climate science, it models change to better understand our planet's future. Data science isn't just behind the scenes, it's actively shaping how we live, work, and interact with the world. Now, let's talk about the people who make data science happen and the tools they use. Data science is not a one-person job. It's a collaborative effort involving several key roles. Data engineers, they build the infrastructure, pipelines, database, and system that manage and transport data. Think of them as the foundation builders, fluent in SQL, Python, and cloud platforms like AWS or Azure. Data analysts, these are the storytellers. They take clean data and transform it into visual insights using tools like Excel, Tableau, and Power BI. Their focus is on understanding what's happening now. Data scientists, they go deeper, using statistics and machine learning to make predictions and uncover trends. They work with Python or R, diving into libraries like Pandas and NumPy. Machine learning scientists and AI engineers, ML scientists, build intelligent models, and AI engineers integrate them into real-world products, from chatbots to autonomous vehicles. Each role contributes a unique piece to the puzzle, and together they bring data to life. If you are considering a career in data science, great choice. It's a growing field with opportunity and impact. You don't need to be a math genius or a coding expert to get started. You just need a curiosity, problem-solving skills, and a willingness to learn. There are many entry points. Love visual storytelling? Explore data analytics. Interested in building systems? Data engineer may be for you. Fascinated by AI and predictions? You may thrive as a data science or ML engineer. No matter the path, there are key skills to focus on. SQL for working with data, Python or R for analysis and modeling, visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, or even Excel, and just as important, communication. Being able to explain your insights clearly matters just as much as uncovering them. Don't forget the soft skills. Curiosity, collaboration, and adaptability will take you further than any single programming language. And that brings us to the end of this introduction. We have explored what data science is, why it matters, how it's shaping our lives, and what it takes to start your journey in the field. Whether you are here to satisfy curiosity or thinking about building a career, I hope this video gave you a clear and inspiring look at the data-driven world around us. If you find this helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What part of data science excites you most? Are you just starting out or already exploring? What would you like to see in the next video? Let me know. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and keep learning. I'll see you next time.